Boom! What's up everybody? My name is Kim Skogwell and today we're going to be taking a look at how you can make and use assets from the Assets tab in Affinity Photo. It's a really quick and simple way to manage your assets if you have stuff you like to put in your images for your composites and stuff like that. That's the way you want to have them. There's not a whole lot to it, but let's just get to it. If you like this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and leave some comments down below. See you all inside. Okay, so here we are back inside Affinity Photo, and I'm going to show you how you make your own assets. And it's basically images or brushes, whatever it is you have put out here, and they're very readily available to use on your images or graphic designs. And they're super helpful. So if you don't see this assets tab, and go up to view, go to studio, and then assets. Cool. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make yourself a new category, and you just create a new category. So you got a different one up here now. Once you have your category, I'm gonna use the same one I were on, and then you want to make a new subcategory. So you just create a subcategory, and that is these watermark, brush, transparent. And then you want to name those subcategories. So rename. You just mark it like so, and then rename. Cool. Now that we know that, I'm gonna make a quick little rectangle here. I'm gonna just move it down like so. Make sure it's on its own layer. I'm gonna hit Command or Control J, hold on Shift and Command or Alt, and then I'm just gonna size it down just a little bit. There we go. And then without clicking anywhere else, I'm just gonna hit Command or Control J a bunch more times. Like so. And that's a bit thick, so I'm gonna just mark all these and group them. But first, and then Command or Control G, we have a group here. I'm gonna go here, and I'm just gonna make them a little bit smaller, like so. Cool. So now this looks like a hallway that's leading in, and you can use it however you want. You can add on your styles and stuff we made, but you want to make this an asset. So now I have this subcategory and shapes design. So you basically just click it and drag it over here, and now it's in here. So I can delete that one, and let's just open up a new one here. I'm just gonna use this one, and then I can, just so you get the idea, so don't save that one. I'm gonna put on just the layers, it'd be easier to see. I'm gonna make that layer black maybe, because that's a good background color for this. And now I can drag this one over here. I think this is pretty big, but I can readjust it again. It's just like I just made it. I will have it straight up, and then I can put in, for example, one of these as well. And now, if the styles we made a while ago, you could put them in here, and you can alter, do whatever it is you want to do, and use them in your images or graphical designs. It's just a really handy way, quick assets here. You can load in pictures and everything. The bigger the file of the assets, the longer it's gonna take to use. So that's it. Hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and post some comments down below.